There are all back of good vibes and a job vibes, and I say Keisha Las Vegas, big up yourself, and I say our general. And I say all our judges them said we see it there. Asha, Keisha Las Vegas, me say, our general a job Skellee, 100% talent will a me. Baby bond, like every day, you're still Jamaican and the money. People dead like every day, them soon on no spot figure berry. Baby bond, like every day, you're still Jamaican and the money. People dead like every day, them soon on no spot figure berry. Look how them kill copper cat fi blackberry. Beer juvenile full up in cemetery. Some learn from them go to formatory car. Some a play a game, the game when him drop. Them a give me joke and me can't laugh. Mommy catch cold and she not stop cough. That mean she still living at the job. If I were the government, no get a youth west them talent. Give them the guns and the instrument now. Give them guns or body in fit. And I try, see that. Baby bond, like every day. I may say Keisha Las Vegas and the whole crew big up, you know, me just a whole job vibes and a real vibes. I may say big up Jamaica said we. I may say big up Cyberville that I'm a place to see me. I may say right over at Seamless, I'm a home, West Cumberland, big up. Baby bond, like every day, you're still Jamaican and the money. People dead like every day, them soon on a spot figure berry. Look at them and I try.
Listen to the message with the artist and deliver. That's how we are talking about. The man say baby born every day. Keisha Las Vegas. You know it go, you know, your mother, you know. Big up all the mothers inside the building. What you have to say? Man say baby born every day. You know here.
I heard it loud and clear. And one of the things I like is the rhythm and the roots where you bring back to us, you know, the natural vibes we get from like the I Win and the, you know. So I see him going far and I look forward to the other songs he'll give us in the future. Really
all right,
nice.
so big up yourself. Drop Skellee. Big up yourself, boss. You have the good music.